Good morning, student. Now our next point in group elements of group 16, 17 and 18 is sulfur. First one is sulfides of sulfur. Sulfur exists is sulfide as pyrides. For example, sulfide of copper and iron, Cu2S and FeS, copper sulfide and iron sulfide. Second one is zinc sulfide and its name is blend. Third one, cinnabar, that means mercuric sulfide and galena lead sulfide. Next one, sulfates, gypsum, CaSO4 twice S2, calcium sulfate. Second one is epsom, MgSO4 7S2, magnesium sulfate. Third one, barytes, BaSO4, that means barium sulfate. Fourth one is Glauber's salt, Na2SO4 10S2O, that means sodium sulfate. Then hydrogen sulfide in volcanic gases and in proteins. Now allotropes of sulfur. Sulfur exhibits numerous allotropic forms. However, rhombic sulfur, that means alpha sulfur, and monoclinic sulfur, that means beta sulfur, are the most important allotropes of sulfur. First one is rhombic sulfur. This allotrope is yellow in color. Its melting point is 385.8 Kelvin and its specific gravity or density is 2.069 per centimeter cube. Rhombic crystals are formed on evaporating the solution of rolled sulfur in carbon disulfide. It is insoluble in water but dissolves to some extent in benzene and alcohol and ether. It is radially soluble in carbon disulfide. It is also called as octahedral sulfur, and the structure of this rhombic sulfur acid molecule is like as this. Now, second allotrope of the sulfur is monoclinic sulfur, that means beta sulfur or cyclo 6. This monoclinic sulfur is bright yellow solid. Its crystals are needle shaped monoclinic and its melting point is 393 Kelvin. Its density or specific gravity is 1.989 per centimeter cube. This monoclinic sulfur is soluble in carbon disulfide. Monoclinic sulfur is stable above 369 Kelvin and it transforms into alpha sulfur below this temperature. Acid molecules with puckered ring structure, that means structure of monoclinic has acid molecules with puckered ring structure. Rhombic sulfur, how this monoclinic sulfur is prepared, and this is prepared when rhombic sulfur is melted in a dish and cool till crust is formed. Two holes are made in the crust and remaining liquid is poured out to give needle shaped crystals of beta sulfur, and this one is structure of beta sulfur. Now next point is sulfur dioxide, that means compounds of sulfur, and first compound is sulfur dioxide, SO2. This sulfur dioxide is prepared from three types, that means first one is from sulfur. Sulfur dioxide gas can be prepared by burning of sulfur in air, that means when sulfur is burnt in air or oxygen, then it gives sulfur dioxide. Solid sulfur plus O2 gas, it gives SO2 gas. Now second one, industrially this sulfur dioxide, it is produced as a byproduct of the roasting of sulfide ores. For example, ferrous sulfide is heated with dioxygen gas, then it gives sulfur dioxide. Now third one is laboratory method, that means action of sulfuric acid on copper turnings. When copper is heated with sulfuric acid, then there is formation of sulfur dioxide. Next method is when sodium sulfate or sodium sulfite is heated with sulfuric acid, then it gives sulfur dioxide gas. Now physical properties of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas with pungent smell. It is poisonous in nature. Sulfur dioxide gas is soluble in water and its solution in water is called as sulfurous acid. This sulfur dioxide gas liquefies at room temperature under a pressure of 2 atmosphere and boils at 263 Kelvin. Now chemical properties of sulfur dioxide gas. First one is reaction with alkali, that means sodium hydroxide. Sulfur dioxide reacts with sodium hydroxide solution to form sodium sulfite. That means sulfur dioxide SO2 is reacts with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, then it will give sodium sulfite Na2SO3 plus H2O. Second, reaction with chlorine. Sulfur dioxide reacts with chlorine in the presence of charcoal as a catalyst to form sulfuryl chloride. That means when sulfur dioxide gas SO2 is reacts with 1 mole of chlorine gas in presence of charcoal, then there is formation of sulfuryl chloride SO2Cl2, and this one is liquid. Now next one, sulfur dioxide acts as a oxidizing agent. When sulfur dioxide is reduced by hydrogen sulfide to give elemental sulfur, that means SO2 is reacts with 2 moles of hydrogen sulfide, then it will give 3 moles of sulfur plus 2 moles of water. The sequential oxidation of sulfur dioxide followed by its hydration is used in the production of sulfuric acid. That means when 2 moles of sulfur dioxide is reacts with 2 moles of water and 1 mole of dioxygen, then it gives 2 moles of sulfuric acid. Properties of this sulfur dioxide. When moist sulfur dioxide behaves as a reducing agent, that means moist sulfur dioxide behaves as a reducing agent, it converts iron third ions to iron second ions. That means when 2 moles of Fe3 plus ions is reacts with sulfur dioxide and 2 moles of water, then it gives 2 moles of Fe2 plus ions plus SO4 minus ion plus 4 moles of H plus ions. Moist sulfur dioxide reduces ferric salts Fe3 plus to ferrous salts Fa2 plus. This moist sulfur dioxide reduces halogens to halogen acids. Moist sulfur dioxide decolorizes acidified potassium permanganate solution. That means 2 moles of KMnO4 plus 5 moles of SO2 plus 2 moles of water. It gives 1 mole of K2SO4 plus 2 moles of MnSO4 plus 2 moles of twice H2SO4. Structure of this SO2 molecule. Sulfur dioxide is angular with OSO bond angle of 1 OSO bond angle is of 199.5 degree. The sulfur and oxygen bond arises from dipie-pipie bonding. It is resonance hybrid of 2 canonical forms, and this structure is of sulfur dioxide, and sulfur dioxide is sp2 hybridized. Uses of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide, it is used as a reducing agent and is used for bleaching, as a fumigant and food preservative. Large quantities of sulfur dioxide are used in the contact process for the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Sulfur dioxide is used in bleaching wool or straw and as a disinfectant. Liquid sulfur dioxide has been used in purifying petroleum products. Liquid sulfur dioxide is used as a solvent to dissolve a number of organic and inorganic chemicals. Sulfur dioxide it is used in preparation of sulfuric acid and sodium hydrogen sulfide. It is used as an antichlor and disinfectant. Sulfur dioxide is used in refining of petroleum and sugar. Next one is preparation of sulfuric acid by contact process. The process can be divided into 5 stages. First one is combining of sulfur and oxygen. Second one is purifying sulfur dioxide in the purification unit. Third one, adding excess of oxygen to sulfur dioxide in the presence of catalyst vanadium oxide to form sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide formed is added to sulfuric acid which gives rise to oleum disulfuric acid. The oleum then is added to water to form sulfuric acid which is very concentrated. Sulfuric acid is manufactured by contact process and which involve these steps. First step is sulfur or sulfide iron pyrides on burning or roasting in air produces sulfur dioxide. That means when sulfur is reacts with dioxygen, then it gives sulfur dioxide gas. Sulfur dioxide is oxidized catalytically with oxygen to sulfur trioxide in the presence of vanadium pentoxide as a catalyst. That means twice SO2 gas plus O2 gas, it gives twice SO3 gas, sulfur trioxide gas. Then hot sulfur trioxide passes through the heat exchanger and is dissolved in concentrated sulfuric acid in the absorption tower to form oleum. That means H2SO4 liquid is reacts with sulfur trioxide gas, it gives H2SO7 liquid and this one is called as oleum. This oleum is reacted with water to form concentrated sulfuric acid, that is H2SO7 plus H2O liquid, it gives twice SO4 sulfuric acid liquid. The physical properties of sulfuric acid H2SO4. Sulfuric acid is a colorless, dense, oily liquid with specific gravity of 1.84 gram per centimeter cube at 298 Kelvin. It freezes at 283 Kelvin and boils at 611 Kelvin. It is highly corrosive and produces severe burns on the skin. It is highly soluble in water with the evolution of a large quantity of heat, hence care must be taken. It has more affinity to water. Chemical properties of sulfur dioxide. Chemical properties of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid acts as a dehydrating agent. For example, action on cane sugar. Its formula is C12H22O11. It gives 12 moles of carbon plus 11 moles of water. Then action on formic acid. When formic acid reacts with sulfuric acid, then it gives carbon monoxide and water. Then action on alcohol. When sulfuric acid is reacts with ethyl alcohol, then it gives diethyl ether. Uses of this sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is a very important industrial chemical and it is used in petroleum refining, manufacture of pigments, paints and dyestuff intermediates in and in metallurgical applications, for example cleansing metals before enameling, electroplating and galvanizing. The sulfuric acid is used in storage batteries, in the manufacture of nitrocellulose products and as a laboratory reagent. Now oxyacids of this sulfur. Sulfur forms a number of oxoacids. Some of them are unstable and cannot be isolated. They are known to exist in aqueous solutions or in the form of their salts. Some important oxoacids of sulfur and their structures are as follows. Sulfurous acid H2SO3. Then sulfuric acid H2SO4. Then di or pyrosulfuric acid H2S2O7. Then peroxymonosulfuric acid H2SO5. Then peroxydisulfuric acid H2S2O8. Then thiosulfuric acid H2S2O3. These are oxyacids of sulfur. And the structure of these oxyacids of sulfur is like this. Sulfurous acid H2SO3. Then sulfuric acid H2SO4. Then peroxydisulfuric acid H2S2O8. Then pyrosulfuric acid oleum H2S2O7. H2S2O7. These are the structures of oxyacids of sulfur. Sulfoxylic acid H2SO2 has oxidation state +2. Sulfurous acid H2SO3 has oxidation state +4. Thiosulfurous acid H2S2O2 has oxidation state -2 and +4. Pyrosulfurous acid or disulfurous acid has oxidation state +4. Sulfuric acid or oil of vitriol has oxidation state +6. Thiosulfuric acid H2S2O3 has oxidation state -2 and +6. Dithionous acid or hydrosulfurous acid H2S2O4 has oxidation state +3. Disulfuric acid or pyrosulfuric acid, that means oleum, has oxidation state +6. Peroxymonosulfuric acid or Carnot's acid has oxidation state +6. Peroxydisulfuric acid or Marshall's acid H2S2O8 has oxidation state +6. H2S2O6, that means dithionic acid, has oxidation state +5. Now next one is group 17 elements, that is halogen family. Group 17 elements contains fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetine. These elements are belong to halogen family, and the general electronic configuration of group 17 or halogen is Ns2Np5. These halogens constitute group 17 of the periodic table. They are collectively known as halogens because of their salt forming tendency. First three members of this group is fluorine. First three members of this group is fluorine, which is the most active and most electron element. Due to this reason, it is termed as a super halogen. Astatine, the last element of this group, is radioactive and rare. Group out of this group 17 element, fluorine and chlorine are fairly abundant, while bromine and iodine are less. Fluorine is present mainly as insoluble fluorides, fluorospar, CaF2, cryolite, Na3Al F6, chloroapatite, thrice Ca3, PO4 twice CaF2. Small quantities are present in soil, river, water plants, and bones and teeth of animals. Seawater contains chlorides, bromides, and iodides of sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, but is mainly sodium chloride solution. Electronic configuration of halogen family, that means group 70. Fluorine has atomic number 9 and its electronic configuration is electronic configuration of helium 2s2, 2p, 2p5. Chlorine has atomic number 17. Its electronic configuration is electronic configuration of neon ns2, np5. Bromine has atomic number 35. Its electronic configuration is electronic configuration of argon 3d10, 4s2, 4p5. Next one is iodine. Its atomic number is 53. Its electronic configuration is electronic configuration of krypton 4d10, 5s2, 5p5. Then third one is astatine, which is radioactive element of this halogen family. Its atomic number is 85. Its electronic configuration is electronic configuration of xenon 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p5. Oxidation state and trends in chemical reactivity of these halogens. That means physical properties of these halogens. First one is electronic configuration. These elements are p-block elements and contains 7 electrons in their respective valence shell. Their valence shell electronic configuration is only 1 electron short of the nearest inert gas configuration, that is ns2 np5. Atomic and ionic radii of these elements. A halogen atom has the smallest radius as compared to any other element in its period. This is due to increased effective nuclear charge, which results in greater attraction of the electrons by the nucleus. The atomic radii increases from fluorine to iodine down the group due to increase in number of shells. The radius of halide ion is larger than corresponding halogen atom. This is because as a result of addition of one electron, the octet is complete and the electron cloud expands. Ionic radii also increase regularly from fluorine to iodine. Next one is ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy of these elements are higher than those of the corresponding elements of group 16 due to increased nuclear charge. These values decreases systematically as we move down the group from fluorine to iodine. Iodine, which has a comparatively low value of ionization enthalpy, has a tendency to lose an electron to form positive iodinium ion, that means I+, and thus shows electropositive or metallic character. Next one is electronegativity of this group 17 elements. Fluorine is electronegative element in the periodic table. With increase in atomic number down the group, the electronegativity decreases, and the decreasing order of electronegativity is fluorine is greater than chlorine, is greater than bromine, is greater than iodine. The electron gain enthalpy of this group 17 elements that is electron gain enthalpies of chlorine, bromine and iodine become less negative as the size of the atom increases. The electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is however less negative than that of chlorine because its small size, as a result of which inter-electronic repulsion p subshell are comparatively large. Thus, chlorine has the highest negative electron gain enthalpy. Oxidation state of these group 17 elements. All the halogens show an oxidation state of -1. Fluorine, being the most electronegative element, always shows an oxidation state of -1, while other halogens also shows positive oxidation state up to a maximum of +7, that is +1, +3, +5 and +7 due to the availability of vacant d orbitals in the valence shell of these atoms. Some halogens also show +4 and +6 oxidation state in the oxides and oxo acids. Nature of bonds of these halogens. All the halogens have 7 electrons in the valence shell and hence requires one more electron to acquire the nearest inert gas configuration, either by gaining an electron from the metallic atom to form halides or by sharing an electron with an electronegative element. Thus halogens form both the ionic and covalent compounds. The halides of highly electropositive metals are ionic, while those of weakly electropositive metals and non-metals are covalent. Thus, tendency to form ionic compounds decreases from fluorine to iodine. Thus, fluorine, because of its high electronegativity, forms ionic compounds even with less electropositive metals like mercury, bismuth, tin, etc., while other halogens form only covalent compounds. Non-metallic character of this group 17 elements. All the halogens are non-metallic in nature. Due to their high ionization enthalpy, the non-metallic character gradually decreases down the group. Iodine is however solid and has a metallic luster. Atomicity and physical state of this group 17 elements. All the halogens exist as a diatomic covalent molecule, that is F2, Cl2, Br2 and I2. Fluorine and chlorine are gases at room temperature. Bromine is corrosive liquid and iodine is a volatile solid. Color of these group 17 elements. All the halogens have characteristic colors. Fluorine is light yellow, chlorine is greenish yellow, bromine is reddish brown and iodine is deep violet color. The color of halogens is due to reason that their molecules absorb light in the visible region and as a result of which electrons are excited to higher energy levels. The amount of energy needed for excitation decreases progressively from fluorine to iodine. Since fluorine atom requires large amount of energy for excitation of electrons and therefore absorbs violet light and appears yellow. On the other hand, iodine requires low energy for excitation of electrons and absorbs yellow light and appears deep violet. Solubility of these halogens. Halogens, being non-polar in nature, do not readily soluble in a polar solvent like water. However, fluorine is highly soluble and react with water vigorously even at low temperature. Oxidizing power of these group 17 elements. All the halogens acts as a strong oxidizing agent since they have a strong tendency to attract electrons and have positive values of electrode potentials. The oxidizing power of these elements decreases as we move down the group from fluorine to iodine. Bond length of halogen molecules. As the size of the halogen atom increases, the bond length of XX bond in X2 molecule increases from fluorine to iodine. Bond dissociation energy or enthalpy dissociation. Bond dissociation energy of chlorine, bromine and iodine decreases down the group as the size of the atom increases. The bond dissociation energy of fluorine is however lower than those of chlorine and bromine because of inter-electronic configuration present in the small atom of fluorine.